Hello, welcome to the Get Rich Quick Experiments 25th video. In 2009, I read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It's now 2019 and I'm still poor. There's only one thing I really remember from the book. It's principle from a lesson. And the reason I remember it is because I put that principle into practice and it worked. The principle worked in real life. That lesson was that it takes 4 greenhouses in Monopoly to make a hotel. It takes 4 quarters to make $1. So 25 became a very powerful number for me. I listened to Stocks for Dummies and was just getting into investing. So I wanted to buy stocks that had dividends. The magic number for return was small. I wanted to make 25 cents every 3 months. That way I would earn $1 a year. I don't remember exactly, but I want to say I bought 2 WWE stocks when the stocks were giving out 15 cents. So I was earning 30 cents every 3 months. $1, 20 cents in a year. Now you may be listening to this thinking, that's a terrible return. Why waste your money on that? Let me answer your question with a question. How many DVD Blu-rays do you own? How much did you pay for each one of those DVD Blu-rays? How many are you watching right now? Imagine this. You buy one Disney DVD, Blu-ray, video, and in 3 months, Mickey Mouse shows up at your door and says, "Gee golly, thanks for buying that one DVD 3 months ago. Here, have a quarter." Then 3 more months pass. Mickey Mouse shows up at your door again and says, "Gee golly, thanks for buying that one DVD 6 months ago. Here, have a quarter." Now, look again at your DVD and Blu-rays. How rich would you be if you got a quarter every 3 months for just owning a DVD Blu-ray? That's the power of dividend stocks. You buy once, and as long as that company is in business, you earn what you own. The question that comes up is, what happens if that business stops giving dividends? It happens. I bought a stock in Barnes & Noble's when they were giving 25-cent dividends. Within a year, they stopped giving dividends. It is always a risk. But to quote Quark from DS9, the bigger the risk, the bigger the win. That was the strategy with stocks. Buy 4 stocks in a company, get 25 cents or more, get $1 a year, $1 every 3 months. And it worked. In 2 years, I was earning $10 every 3 months, $40 a year. It was an incredible feeling. I saw that $10 as a placeholder, nothing more. If I got $10 every 3 months, I could get $25 every 3 months. Then $100, then $250 every 3 months, then $1,000, then $2,500. There was no stopping me. Then life happened. They say if you want to hear God laugh, tell him your plans. Long story short, I had to sell my stocks, all of them. With the wind out of my sails, I never really got back into investing. I've sort of been spending the past few years drifting along, licking my wounds, not caring about my financial future. Well, that changes today. Today, on February 25th, 2019, I'm making 25 my number again. So if nothing else, hit the subscribe button and join the journey because it's go time.